In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to color grade Slog3 in Premiere Pro. So as you can see, I have this Slog3 footage here and I wanna color grade it in Premiere Pro. So first of all, we need to adjust some settings in Premiere Pro, and to do that, we need to go to Edit from the top left corner, then hover over Preferences and open General Settings. From this window, we need to check mark this option, which is Auto Detect Log Video Color Space, and then hit OK. And after that, we can color grade our Slog3 footage. So first of all, we need to open one panel, and to enable that panel, we need to go to Window. From here, click on Lumetri Color like so, and then it will open this panel. On this panel, we can color grade everything, such as we can adjust white balance, temperature, tint, saturation, curves. So all of that stuff can be adjusted from here. First of all, we'll start with basic correction. Under it, we have this option, which is Input LUT. And from here you can just choose the LUT and it will adjust the color, saturation and all of that stuff for your footage. And the best thing is that Sony provides profile LUT for Sony Slog3. So you just have to download the LUT from Sony's website, and then you can just install that LUT on your Premiere Pro and you are good to go. So to install the LUT from Sony, we just have to open Google Chrome on our laptop or computer and then search here Sony Loop Profile 3D LUT download. Then go to any of these websites. So I'm just gonna go on this one, and from here we need to download this LUT. So I just need to click on no thanks. So loop profile for sgamut3.cine Slog3, we need to download this one. For that, click on download icon from here, then scroll down to the bottom and click on download, and then it will start downloading that LUT. So we just have to wait a bit until this downloading is done. Now my LUT has been downloaded. I need to open that in my downloads folder. Then we need to right click on the zip file, then click on extract all like this and extract the file on your folder, and we need to double tap on this file, and you can see all of these LUTs are now available in our computer. Now to install them on our Premiere Pro, we need to open Premiere Pro again, and here go to Input LUT section, then click on Browse and then locate the file which you downloaded. So I have this file, I need to double tap on it, and from all of these LUTs we need to select the third LUT, which is sgamut3 cine Slog3 to Slog3. So we just have to select this one, then click on open, and you can see the color grading has been done on my Slog3 footage. If you want to color grade it further, then for that we can just go to the color tab and you can adjust the temperature according to the mood of your footage. So I want it to be slightly bluish, and then I can just adjust the tint like this, and if you want to increase the saturation, then you can do that too. And to adjust the lightness, we can adjust exposure, contrast and all of that stuff from this light section. And now to color grade it properly, we can just expand this curve section. The diagonal line controls brightness and contrast. Bottom left is shadows, middle is midtones, top right is highlights. Click in the middle and drag up to brighten midtones. Click near the bottom and drag down to darken shadows. Click near the top and drag up for highlights, but don't go too far or you'll lose details. Now open Lumetri Scope. For that, go to Window and check mark Lumetri Scope option from here, and then it will open Lumetri Scope panel on the left hand side. The waveform shows brightness from 0 to 100. 0 is pure black, 100 is pure white. If shadows hit 0, they are crushed. If highlights touch 100, they are blown out. Adjust until shadows stay above 0, highlights below 100 and midtones look balanced. So this is the complete process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.